Here we want to show you the 3 best chips products from Asia. This is the first one. These chips are our all-time favorite. We bought this package in China. The honey butter flavor is very addicting. They are from the Korean manufacturer Orion and you can buy them all over Asia. Let's open the package. They have a slight honey flavor followed by a creamy butter taste. The chips are very light and their shape is special. These chips are super crispy. If you find these rare chips outside of Korea, then you should try them. You won't be disappointed. The second product is a chips package from Japan. It is from the brand Frito Lay, that is a division of PepsiCo. The flavor is supposed to taste like soy sauce and butter. These spiral version chips are usually only available on the Japanese market. Let's open the package. The chips are very light and their shape is special. These chips are super crispy. They have a smooth and savory soy sauce and butter flavor. You should try this snack if you see it in Japan or in an Asian supermarket around you. You won't be disappointed. Coconut chips from Thailand are famous and it is among the most popular tourist gifts. Here we want to show you the newest coconut chips flavor that we bought in Thailand. The real coconut flakes are covered with dark chocolate. Let's have a quick look at the packaging before we open it. Now let's look inside. The chips are completely covered with chocolate and they look yummy. Now it is time to try them. They are still very crispy and the chocolate taste is intense and delicious. We would buy this snack again on our next trip to Thailand. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe for more daily videos.